Who's ready for some gaming? Oh no, it looks like my laptop battery died. Have no worries, my fellow gamers, because EGOWAY is here to save the day. This battery replacement is compatible with MacBook Pro 12 and also other older models. Before placing an order, please confirm that your model and make is compatible. Alright, so inside the box, you have some cleaning tools right here. Let me show you what's in here. It looks like there's a pair of gloves and this flat spatula, which is used to help you remove some of the components of the laptop. Got some gloves, so you don't make sure you don't introduce any dust to the laptop. That's very important. And also even a cleaning cloth. Okay. All right. Now here are the instructions. Wow, they really went into detail. There you see the model and make. By the way, the battery type is A1527 and A1705. You see how detailed all the steps are? It has 3 different languages, Chinese, English, and Japanese. So let's see, steps 1 through 23 on one of them. And the total number of steps it takes is 47 steps. Everything is super detailed with pictures, making life easy. All right, and then you have this foam padding where you can protect your battery while you're doing work. All right, now let's look inside. There are more additional tools. You have a set of screwdrivers right here, various sizes. See, you have, oh, these are special for laptop. I think removal, battery removal, see? Cute. And then also a suction cup to help you grab the components without getting any fingerprints on them. And also this tool right here, this is like a pick. See that? Both ends, pointy end and a flat end with a notch in there. Okay. And the tools are used labeled with the instructions. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the battery. Okay, it is lightweight. So this is your lithium ion polymer, 4800 milliamps, 7.56 volts. Okay, it's also labeled right here and is well protected. And you see all the connectors which connects to the laptop. It's lightweight. And here's what the back looks like. And yes, your brand new batteries has been passed by the CE, FCC, and ROHS certification. So, for example, let's say I'm replacing the battery right now. We have steps labeled out in front of us, making it super easy and well labeled. Along with the tools, you have everything you need to remove your older battery and replace it with a brand new EGOWAY laptop battery replacement. I hope this video was informational, and I hope you guys get your laptop running again so you can continue on with your gaming.